Hey everyone. Welcome back to the channel. If you're watching this, chances are you're having trouble installing the KB5050009 update on your Windows 11 device. Well, don't worry, because in today's video, I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step guide to fix this issue and get your system updated without any headaches. Let's dive in. Before we jump into the fix, let's quickly talk about what KB5050009 actually is. This is a cumulative update released by Microsoft for Windows 11 that includes important security fixes and improvements. But like any update, sometimes it just doesn't install correctly. Now, there can be a number of reasons why it might fail to install, from system conflicts to incomplete downloads. But don't worry, we'll tackle the most common fixes right now. So, what happens when this update fails? Well, you might see an error message like, error 0 by 8007000D, the update didn't install correctly, or, sometimes, it just keeps hanging without any message at all. First things first, let's use the built-in Windows Update troubleshooter. It's an easy and quick way to resolve issues related to updates. On-screen text, Step 1, run Windows Update Troubleshoot. Here's how to do it. 1. Go to Settings greater than System greater than Troubleshoot greater than Other Troubleshooters. 2. Scroll down and click on Windows Update under the most frequent section. 3. Click Run the Troubleshooter. 3. You can try using the Media Creation tool to perform a clean install of Windows 11. This option will ensure that you have the latest version of Windows and that all the necessary updates are installed properly. Go to the Microsoft website, download the Media Creation tool, and follow the instructions to either upgrade your system or create a bootable USB drive for a clean install. Once you've completed these steps, you should no longer see the error and KB5050009 should be successfully installed. So, that's it for today's fix on the KB5050009 update not installing issue. I hope one of these methods worked for you. If this video helped, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more Windows tips and troubleshooting guides.